This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Do you feel like your Audi is not delivering the performance it should, even when everything seems fine? The engine runs smoothly, there are no warning lights, and yet acceleration feels weaker. Response is slower and fuel consumption keeps increasing. What if the problem is not mechanical, not electronic, but something you use every single day without thinking about it? Because there is one factor that directly affects power, efficiency, and engine behavior. And most drivers choose it without knowing the consequences. Before we continue, if you want to improve your Audi's performance, reduce fuel consumption, and discover hidden mistakes, subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, but it helps us grow and bring you more real Audi insights. Now let's get straight to the point. The problem is your fuel quality. Your Audi engine is designed to work with precise combustion parameters. Air and fuel must be perfectly balanced to create efficient power. When this balance is correct, the engine runs smoothly, delivers strong acceleration, and uses fuel efficiently. But when fuel quality is not optimal, combustion changes immediately. Lower quality fuel often contains impurities, inconsistent energy content, or additives that are not ideal for your engine. This affects combustion. This affects performance. This affects efficiency. And here's what happens next. Combustion becomes less precise. The engine control unit tries to adapt, but it cannot fully compensate, which means less power, slower throttle response, higher fuel consumption. Now here's the part most drivers don't understand. Not all fuel is the same. Even if it looks identical, it behaves differently inside your engine. And this is why some days your Audi feels smooth and powerful, and other days it feels heavy and inefficient. It's not random, it's fuel quality. Now connect this with what we discussed before. If your air filter was dirty, if your MEF sensor was inaccurate, and your fuel is not optimal, you are stacking inefficiencies. And when inefficiencies stack, performance drops significantly. This is why many Audi drivers never get the full potential of their car, because they are not fixing one problem. They are combining multiple small mistakes. Now imagine the opposite: clean airflow, accurate sensor data, high-quality fuel. Everything works together, and your Audi suddenly feels more responsive, smoother, more efficient. But here's the key question. Which fuel should you actually use? Does premium fuel really make a difference? And when is it just a waste of money? In the next part, we're going to break this down step by step, and what fuel is just costing you more without real benefits. Now let's answer the most important question. Which fuel should you actually use in your Audi? And does premium fuel really make a difference? Because this is where most drivers get confused. Some think premium fuel is a waste of money. Others believe it automatically increases power. The truth is more precise. Your Audi engine, especially if it's turbocharged, is designed to operate efficiently with higher quality fuel. Higher octane fuel, RON98, allows more stable combustion. This means better ignition control, reduced knocking risk, smoother power delivery. And here's what happens inside the engine. With better fuel, combustion becomes more controlled. The ECU can optimize timing more effectively, and this translates into real performance consistency. But here's the key point. Premium fuel does not magically add power. It allows your engine to reach its intended performance. So if you are using lower quality fuel, your engine is already limiting itself. That's why switching to better fuel often feels like a performance boost, because you are removing a limitation. Now let's talk about when it matters the most. Turbo engines, high-load driving, hot weather conditions. In these situations, fuel quality has a much bigger impact because the engine is under stress and combustion precision becomes critical. Now let's switch to diesel engines. Audi TDI engines depend heavily on fuel quality. Low-quality diesel creates incomplete combustion, more deposits, reduced injector efficiency, and over time, performance drops significantly. Higher quality diesel burns cleaner, improves efficiency, keeps injectors in better condition, which means smoother engine, better response, lower long-term consumption. Now here's something very few drivers understand. Fuel alone is not the full solution. Because over time, even with good fuel, deposits still build up, inside injectors, inside valves, and this reduces efficiency again. This is where fuel system cleaning becomes important. A clean fuel system ensures proper atomization, better combustion, more efficient power delivery, and this brings your engine closer to its original performance. Now, combine everything. Correct fuel, clean injectors, stable combustion, and your Audi becomes more responsive, more efficient, more consistent. But there is still one final mistake. And this one can completely cancel all the benefits, even if you are using the best fuel available. In the next part, we'll reveal the hidden fueling habit that increases consumption, reduces efficiency, and slowly damages performance over time. Now let's talk about the final mistake, the one that keeps increasing your fuel consumption and reducing performance, even if you are using the right fuel. Because here's the truth. You can choose premium fuel, you can improve combustion. But if you keep doing this one thing, you lose everything. Refueling at the wrong time. Most drivers don't think about this. They refuel whenever it's convenient, but fuel quality inside your tank is not always the same. And here's what happens. When fuel levels are very low, the pump starts drawing from the bottom of the tank. This is where impurities, small particles, residues are more concentrated. So every time you drive with very low fuel, you increase the amount of contaminants entering your system. And over time, injectors get dirty faster, combustion becomes less efficient, performance drops again. Now add another mistake. Refueling immediately after a tanker delivery at the station. When fuel tanks are being filled underground, sediments inside the station tank get disturbed. This means more impurities in the fuel temporarily. And if you refuel at that moment, you are putting lower quality fuel into your Audi. Now here's another hidden habit, always filling small amounts. Many drivers keep adding small quantities of fuel instead of refueling properly. This creates more air inside the tank and increases condensation over time. Moisture can enter the fuel system, and this reduces combustion efficiency. Now combine everything. Low fuel driving, wrong refueling timing, contaminated fuel. You are slowly reducing your engine efficiency again, even if you are using premium fuel. This is why some Audi drivers never get consistent performance, because the problem is not just the fuel type, it's how they use it. Now here's the correct strategy. Avoid driving with very low fuel. Refuel before reaching minimum levels. Avoid refueling during tanker delivery. Use consistent, high-quality stations. Fill properly instead of small, frequent amounts. These simple changes protect your fuel system and stabilize combustion quality over time. And when combustion is stable, your Audi performs the way it should. Better acceleration, lower consumption, more consistent response. And here's the key idea. Performance is not just what you add, it's what you avoid damaging. Most drivers don't lose performance suddenly, they lose it slowly, through small habits repeated every day. If you want more Audi performance secrets, fuel-saving strategies, and hidden fixes that actually work, subscribe to the channel. And now watch the next episode, because there is another small system that is silently increasing your fuel consumption every time you drive. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.